Hello everyone, my name is Nick and today I'd like to show you a new mounting solution for our iCUE panels. We have developed a rear enclosure, or rather a base unit, the Twing-1 Scene 306. This is specifically for mounting iCUE panels where the power supply is intended to be placed behind the panel. This box comes complete with a power supply, a glass fuse and of course the base unit itself, and it is then compatible with the bracket of an iCUE4 or an iCUE NS panel. Now you can go ahead and place this one on the bottom compartment. You can see that the cutouts actually align perfectly. The tamper switch functionality is also incorporated, ensuring your panel remains fully protected against any unauthorized or unwanted opening. And then you can easily mount your iCUE panel onto this specific bracket. This is designed for both an iCUE4 and an iCUE NS. And that's precisely how the complete solution appears in a real-world application. This ensures a minimal space is maintained at the panel's rear, and this way you've super efficiently placed your power supply without needing to create separate cables or plug the connector directly into an outlet. For some markets this is truly essential. Well, thanks for watching and see you next time.